It's amazing because the first movie that I ever premiered in America was in this theater called Planes. It's emotional.
It's an iconic Hollywood landmark, and I always thoroughly enjoy coming back. There's no place like it.
This is like the most amazing, beautiful, famous theatre in all of LA, you know? So like, you know when it premieres here that the film's really special.
To show it on the biggest screen and the biggest, most iconic place is just a milestone for me.
How far would you go to protect your family? That's the ethos of this movie for me.
Adventure, romance. It's like romancing the stone, but we have Priyanka Chopra and Karl Urban.
It's a firecracker of a movie. I mean, it's relentless. You know, once it starts, it doesn't give up.
It just goes and goes with that same exhilarating energy of a classic pirate film.